Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display and brightness. From here you can change between light and dark mode or enable auto switch. Then we can change brightness level or enable or disable auto brightness. Next, we can turn on or off eye comfort mode, auto rotate screen, and change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Next, we can change color temperature, font and display size, screen color mode between vivid and gentle. We can manage screen display. Basically, it's for apps. And enable or disable low brightness flicker-free eye comfort. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.